My name is Zainab Shahid, and I have been a part of Roots Ivy since a couple of years. If I look back at all the time that I spent at Roots, I realize that these years have been so transformative because I have grown so much and I started to dream of things that I did not know I could achieve. But I did achieve them with the help of Roots Ivy's amazing faculty, especially Ma'am Khadija. I got accepted into Cambridge's class of 2025, and I am going to major in land economy. I am so excited and so desperate to go to Cambridge, and the only reason I think that I could fit in there is because in the past few years I have grown so much as a person, and because I have learned so many things by the help of Roots Ivy that I believe that I am capable to tackle any new challenges that I face in the world. Thank you.